Thank you for coming to this channel video. Before you watching it, I want sharing short information about what vanilla powder is. It is because many people still thinking if vanilla powder should white in color. Fact is real vanilla powder not white. Real vanilla powder made from the vanilla bean which has drying and grinding into fine powder, therefore real vanilla will dark brown in color and not white or cream in color. The making process of vanilla powder will start by drying a vanilla bean into low humidity. This process helped the vanilla bean easy in grinding, then sieving into fine powder mostly become 80 mesh result. It is very important to understand about vanilla powder mesh result, when understand mesh size and how it relates to a particular spice, so you can make educated choices about how to determine your product price and quality. Mesh size that will giving effect also related product solubility. The USA standard, 80 mesh equals 177 microns. This standard make the vanilla powder will be not coarse powder but fine powder. The real vanilla powder is gluten-free, no alcohol, no sugar contain and no artificial ingredients. This is good situation for you who love raw food and vegan recipes. The only problem is the aroma of vanilla powder not strong like when you use the vanilla extract. Since no sugar and no alcohol contain in vanilla powder, therefore the aroma of vanilla extract is keep best strong than vanilla powder. Alcohol carrier the aroma in vanilla extract, but mild aroma of vanilla powder will not evaporate when you used it in high heat, which is different situation with the vanilla extract. We will show you the video about how we can use the vanilla powder. Thank you and please don't forget to like and subscribe for this channel.